I'm gonna do the best I can here, one-handed. Real nice shift. Goes right into shift interrupt, kicks right out of gear. You got your reverse, comes right in, goes right into shift interrupt, kicks out of gear. I mean, it's what you gotta have. All the gauges are excellent. We're charging. Got 40 pounds of pressure. Don't got much gas. A good idea to get rid of that old gas. It's cleans right off, real nice. Nice power steering. Power steering's functional. Real smooth steering. Responsive. Give her hell here. Not supposed to go gangbusters on it for a while. We'll pull it back. I'm just going to break it in a little bit. Oh, she's ripping. That's the big deal right there. That water temperature. It's running right. They got it notched out. They know where they want it. Under load. Looking good. It's a little windy over there. Put her down for a minute. Get back out of it. Right down. This is the big test. We'll shut her down here. I don't like doing this one. It was a little freaky to me. We're out in the middle of the lake with no help. Oh, man. All right. All right. Now you can trust your boat. Because you see that shoreline? I have stalled out and walked around it all the way to the boat launch, all the way around this lake. And I'm telling you, that is no fun. Especially when the wind's blowing, because it blows you right to this end of the lake. And when you don't have no power, you go right there. She's a rocket ship. Trim her up, find our sweet spot. Right there's our sweet spot. Oh yeah. She's a cruiser. Alright, I'm gonna take this thing back home. You can hear it falling out of the secondaries. It's got a vacuum secondary Holley spread bore carburetor on it. It's a little, has a little bit of a funk to it, but hey man, that's what you guys gave me. Kind of comes in and out of the secondaries because they're vacuum operated. And the vacuum circuit's not quite calibrated. And it's internal carbureted orifices, and they just send you out a carburetor out of the box, and hope it works. Yeah, she's real nice steering. We're staying right there, so that is the big deal right there. Water temperature. That thing did not want to cool down when we got it. The intermediate water hose was totally collapsed. The shift cable was burned away and locked up. All the exhaust connectors were melted. And yeah, but we moved beyond it. It takes a lot of work to bring one of these boats back after it's been freeze damaged and severely overheated. I mean, it just so detrimental to all the systems. And yeah, it's almost like putting Humpty Dumpty back together. There's the boat launch over there. There's where Super Chevy has. Super Chevy's over there. Gotta keep an eye on her. Alright. I'm gonna put it on the trailer. I'm gonna take it home and winterize it. Should be ready for an oil change after a few hours. I like it. It's gonna work. You guys are going skiing. Starter's real good. I like the starter. We didn't put a starter on it because it had a replacement starter on it. It was from, I think it was made in Pakistan. And but they must know what they're doing because the starter sounds really good. I mean, I'm happy with the starter. The engagement into the flywheel is good. So, yeah, 16 feet of water here. We're functional. We're back. I'm putting it on a trailer. I'm gonna winterize it. I'm gonna send it home. Have fun with her.